In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order tracking page in the Wix editor. To get started, open Google Chrome and launch the Wix editor so you're inside your website's editing workspace. Give the editor a moment to fully load so all the tools in the sidebar are available and responsive. Since we're creating a brand new page, it helps to begin from the main editing view where you can clearly see your current site layout and navigation options. Once you're in the editor, move over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Pages and Menu. This is where Wix lets you manage the structure of your site, including all the pages visitors can navigate to. When the panel opens, look for the option to add a new page and click the plus sign for Add Page. This will create a fresh page that you can use as a blank canvas. As the new page is being added, name it Order Tracking. Using a clear and specific page name is important because it helps keep your site organized inside the editor, and it also makes it easier to identify the page later when you're customizing menus or linking buttons. After naming it, confirm that the page has been created successfully. You should now be looking at a new empty section of your site that's ready for design and content. At this point, the goal is simply to prepare the page so it can later hold the tools or features needed for order tracking. Starting with a blank page is useful because it gives you full control over the layout without needing to remove pre-existing content or adjust a template section you don't want. Next, go back to the left sidebar and open the Wix App Market by clicking the utility panel icon for apps. This area gives you access to additional Wix features and integrations that can expand what your site can do. Opening the App Market now is the natural next step, because once your order tracking page exists, you'll be ready to explore tools that may help power the tracking experience for your visitors. When the App Market drawer opens, take a moment to let it fully load so you can browse smoothly. At this stage, you've successfully set up the framework. The editor is open, the new page has been created and named, and the App Market is ready to use. That gives you a clean starting point for building out your order tracking page inside Wix.